Hi, my name is Vikash, and I'm here to talk to you about the charged up all-electric Mini Cooper SE. You know, my favorite thing about the Cooper SE is that it holds true to the identity of what Mini always has been. Quick, agile, go-kart handling, it feels premium, it looks really good, and the best part about it all is all electric. So you feel really good about driving without any emissions. At 181 horsepower and 6.9 seconds, 0 to 60, you can see why the Cooper SE wears an S badge. Now the Mini Cooper SE is able to charge in several different ways. You have level 1 charging, which uses a standard wall outlet that you would find at home, a level 2 charge, which you can have at home or in a public charging location, or DC fast charging, which you can find at a public charging station. Regardless of which way you want to charge, it's simply as easy as plugging it in. Now let's take a look inside the boot of the Cooper SE. It's actually quite spacious. You'll notice it's actually the same size as the Cooper S, and John Cooper Works hardtop 2-doors. Now the way that we were able to do that is actually utilizing that space where the exhaust and the gas tank would normally be to place the high voltage batteries. That way, there is no compromising the storage capabilities of this 2-door hardtop. Now, if you do need some additional vertical space, there are some things that you can do to help increase that. One, for example, is removing the parcel shelf and placing it below the 2-stage flat load floor. Once it's tucked away, you can actually also fold down the rear seats. You just pull up on these levers until the red collar is shown and simply push the seats forward. Just like the exterior, the interior is true to Mini's heritage with its unique and functional design. Everything you see on the interior is intentional. Everything from the upholstery used on the steering wheel and the seats, as well as all the up-to-date technology. One neat feature is this toggle switch here. This fine-tunes the 2-stage regenerative braking. Thanks for hanging with me today. Good luck in the search for your perfect Mini.